Hey everybody, Ted with Quality Home Inspections. I'm up in Wilmington today doing the house. And on this edition of Flippers Are Gonna Flip, let me show you what I got. Not a major defect, but it's just, well, let me show you. Let me just show you. All right, so if you notice on this water heater, there's no upper and lower thermostat cover because they're way in the back over here, right down there. So the tricky part with this is if you ever got to service the equipment or just adjust the water temperature, how you going to do it? Because they're way back there. It's going to be difficult. So again, not a major defect. It's just something, to me, it's just quality workmanship. It should have been spun around, installed. It would have made more sense. So I just wanted to point that out. Thanks for watching today with Quality Home Inspections. 302-883-8797 or inspectdelaware.com.